ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Ka Omni Winter Beach Festival. Haka khat ar bat khat la terigu January ar hajar ar pusau. Hadangar balat East Khasi Hills District.
Menteri Sarkar bapik Yakatan Public Health Engineering Marcuise and Marak ula Kyntait mardor ke Jingkynnoh bamsap hakabe day ke Pyntrei kam ke Jal Jeevan Mission hapo ke Jilla Meghalaya da ke binrap ru bakani ke day namar belajan ke Lok Sabha election. Habakren Shakilat Pathai Khubor Marcuise and Marak ula ong ke Jilla Meghalaya ke Pyntrei kam bahaya ke scheme JJM hak baki kam ke bela pendap kolong nyopulai 0.1%. Shu Marcuise uloong banamar ke MP election kalajan kini ke bekeno bamsap ke lapinmi ya kum kini ke Jingkynnoh kanang bagi pat ba kin nget yaki bat ong bagi sarkar kam shimlale AA
to withdraw the amount. Even third party without being reported from the third party, the payment is not possible at all. So therefore I'll look into the matter, what is the nature of allegations. But most of the work in West Garo Hills are ongoing constructions. Some of them are still constructions are going on. So therefore, maybe the work is under construction. I have not seen the nature of complaint that you're talking about. And in terms of, in respect of corruption, anybody is charging in implementation of Jal Jeevan, what kind of a corruption he wants to see? I would like to know that. The way the Jal Jeevan mission is being implemented is very transparent. Once the work is completed, bill is not paid immediately because there is a third party. That third party has to go for inquiry, and only when third party has done his inquiry and satisfied that the work is completed, then only after his reporting, the process for the payment will start. So therefore, there's no question of chance of any corruption at all. So therefore, I totally don't agree with the kind of corruption charges they're making about. We are trying our level best to, go for 100%.
By when?
Only by, February, March, we are trying to go for 100% completion within this financial year. The elections are coming. These are all politically planned, and then just to, just before the elections, they have to make this kind of a statement so that people will believe them and say that government is not doing anything. So I'm here to tell you that JJM implementations, as I have told you, that is very clear, very transparent. Payments are also very transparent. And before payments, works are also monitored very thoroughly because even after completion of the projects, we have to geotag the projects. We have to geotag the sources. We have to geotag the project itself. And then where is the chance of lying to the people? There's no question at all. And anybody who wants to view the progress of the Jal Jeevan mission implementation, there is a dashboard which is created by the Ministry of Jal Shakti, Government of India. So through this dashboard, anybody can view and assess the implementation of Jal Jeevan mission and achievements as well. Today also we stands 73.15% today, as on today. I'm going through the Jal Jeevan mission dashboard, which is created by the Government of India. It's not my creation. It's not the creation of PH Department, Government of Meghalaya. It's a creation of Jal Shakti Ministry, Government of India. And we stands today 476,596 household connections. So we have connected 476,596 households to the people of our state. When we started this Jal Jeevan mission, it was only 4,500 plus household connections. Today we have connected to 476,596. It's an achievement, I would say. It's an achievement. We should appreciate this. Our engineers are working very hard Our officials on the ground level, they were doing very well. So therefore we should appreciate, we should commend their sincerity and hard work.